Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one because my sister's Hedgehog, Poppy, look at the camera. She picked out my makeup. So we're gonna see what she picked out. Some of the things that she didn't pick out were my brow products and primer, because those are just things that I don't change. I don't really have options for. So here's Miss Poppy. I have a whole vlog on my vlog channel about meeting Poppy. Oh my gosh, she doesn't really know me. But I have a whole vlog on my vlog channel about meeting Miss Poppy. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave a link down below. And if you guys want to see what makeup she picked out for me, then keep watching. If you guys are observant, you might notice that I don't have nail polish on in this part, but in the clips where Poppy's choosing my makeup, I do. It's because I filmed those a while ago, just because she was up and cooperating. Sometimes she doesn't like to cooperate. So she was up at that point and cooperating, so I was like, all right, let's get it done. Let's do this. So I'm going to start out with eyes like I always do, and Poppy's choices were the Tartelette Toasted palette and the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So let's see what she chose. Next, we have palettes. So we have the Tartelette Toasted or the Born to Run palette. Oh, she wants the Born to Run. Okay, Pop, I guess you like that one. And Miss Poppy chose the Born to Run palette, and I'm so excited because I've been loving this palette. This was my most recent purchase before I decided to go on my very long no buy. So I don't really know what I want to do. I think I might just keep it a little chill today because I'm not feeling great and I just want to keep it a little relaxed. I also kind of want to do a halo eye. So I think I have an idea here. So going in with my Morphe M441, I'm going to pick up this shade right here, which is Weekender. Weekender and Riff have been my ultimate favorites because they are mixed together. They're so close to my skin tone actually right now. So I'm just going to go in with Weekender and just pop this in the crease. So I've seen a lot of people give this palette mixed reviews, and I personally really like it. I love Urban Decay. I will say though that the mattes, I feel like this is with any palette, mattes work better with a brush, and the shimmers definitely work better with your finger. And yeah, I don't really think there's that much. I think it's a great palette. I think the colors are so pretty. I love all the colors in the palette. I've been using it every day pretty much when I do my makeup. Like I said, I haven't been doing my makeup that much, but like when we go to Six Flags, if we go at night, I'll do my makeup just like really lightly, just to make myself not look like I'm 5. And like I said, Weekender and Riff have been like my favorite shades in the palette. So next I'm going to actually pick up Weekender and a little bit of Riff and pop this in the crease as well. I'm gonna take it also a little bit on the inner and outer corners because like I said, I kind of want to do like a halo eye because I haven't done one in a really long time. But yeah, if you're wanting this palette and you like Urban Decay, I would say try it out. I will say though, when I went to Ulta and I swatched it there, some of the matte shades did feel dry. And when I got home, they felt better. They're still a little dry, but they just feel better. So I would say don't really go by the store because it might have just gotten dried out from people touching it and playing with it and the heat and stuff like that. I don't know. I mean, I could be wrong, but that's just how I feel. Next, to just deepen things up a little bit, I'm going to go in with Punk and this Beijoy blender brush. And I'm just going to pop this kind of where I put that mix of Weekender and Riff, just kind of like in the outer corner, and I'll put in the inner corner as well. So I got the idea to do this video from Nikki Tutorials because she did it with her dogs and I thought it was so funny. And I don't have a dog. My mom will not allow a dog in the house. So, which makes me really sad because I really want a dog. So I was like, why not use the hedge? I mean, we have a turtle too, but homegirl's uncooperative. She does what she wants when she wants. So does the hedge, but you know. A while back, I saw this tweet from ShanXO and I actually replied to it. And I want your guys' answers too. So she asked what you think your pets would be if they were humans. So me and my sister were both thinking, because they're both my little sister's pets, and the turtle and the hedge. So I was thinking Shelly, our turtle, would be probably a lawyer because she always looks really serious. And then Poppy would be a really good bartender at like a club or a bar, obviously, because she's fast, she runs on her wheel, and she is up all night. So I think that'd be her perfect job. What do you think your pets, if they were humans, what their job would be? Let's discuss in the comments down below. Next, I'm just taking this Beijoy eyeshadow brush and I'm just putting PINCHme on the inner and outer corners just because it's not as deep as I want it to be. The Beijoy brush, the blender brush, I mean, was too fluffy. Next, for the lid, I'm kind of torn. I think I want to use Stranded, but Smog looks really pretty too. Let's just, you know what, YOLO. We're doing a mixture of Smog and Stranded. And I'm just putting this in the middle where I didn't place anything. And when I do my halo eyes, because you can't see because they're like kind of hooded, I don't bring it up all the way. I kind of just do like a semi-hooded or semi-halo halo eye. I don't know what I'm saying. This looks really pretty. And then I'm going to go back in with that Beijoy brush and PINCHme and just blend that all together. And I'm just going to go in with Stranded and Smog one more time because some of it got lost a little bit. I like how this came out. This is pretty dramatic. Like, hello, who am I? Alright, so I just did my primer off camera and I used the NYX Photo Loving Primer in green. So I can just finish up the bottom lash line. And I think I'm just going to do Weekender, a little bit of Riff, and a little bit of PINCHme on this Anastasia brush and just buff it out like that. So next up is my foundation. I haven't been doing concealer and I've been liking the look with no concealer. So skipping right to foundations, these are the foundations I had Miss Poppy choose from. The L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and this isn't really a foundation, but this was the only other option that I had, which is the Maybelline Dream Fresh BB Cream. So let's see what she chose. So here are Poppy's choices. L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, my Maybelline Dream Fresh BB Cream. Let's see what the hedge chooses. Poppy. No, Poppy. No, she didn't. Poppy, come on, choose one. All right. We're going with this for foundation. And Miss Poppy chose the Maybelline. So I'm just going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. This is another BB cream that I really, really like. I used to use this all the time when I think I used to use it when I started my channel. If not, I always used it before I started my channel. And it's just so good. And I'm just blending this all out with my Eco Tools sponge real quick. It's so easy to blend out and I just like that it gives your skin a nice light finish. Like I was saying before, I do like light makeup when we go to Six Flags. And since we go at night, it's you know, nice and cool. And this holds up so nicely, even if it is like kind of warm out. It stays so nice. It doesn't run. It doesn't feel like it gets cakey. Sometimes I feel like with some foundations, like the Pro Glow, it gets too hot and my face starts sweating. With this, that does not happen. It just feels really nice on my face, and yeah, I really, really like it. Highly recommend. It's a great drugstore BB cream. So next we have bronzer, and Poppy got to choose between this Jane bronzer and the Physicians Formula Butter bronzer. So let's see what Miss Poppy chose. Next is bronzer, because I don't really have any concealers she can choose. So we have this Jane bronzer or Physicians Formula bronzer. Which one are you gonna choose, Pop? Oh, Physicians Formula? Yeah. Physicians Formula is the one she sniffed. And she chose the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which I actually broke yesterday. Dropped it right on the floor. It's intact. Like, it's all in one piece. It just popped out of the pan. So I'm just being really gentle. I'm putting this all over. I've been having the worst luck with bronzers lately. I broke this one. I broke my Makeup Revolution one that I'm trying to pan. I did a Project Pan update, which you guys will see soon. Like I said in my last video, I have so many reviews that I don't know when that one will even be up. Probably after the next review that I have. So next is blush, and I gave Poppy the choice of the Milani Baked Blush in Dulce Pink and the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Party. So let's see what Miss Poppy chose. Right, next is blush, and we have the Milani Baked Blush and this Tarte blush. What you gonna choose, Pop? Poppy's not cooperating today. Come on, Pop. And Tarte it is. And she chose the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush. I keep on saying brush. In Party. So I'm just going to take my Bay Joy blusher brush and just apply this. I actually kind of like this with the eye look because it's not so dramatic, but it is really light. Oh, having a tan in the summer. Not complaining, but I kind of wish you chose the Milani one instead. So blush is always really quick to apply. So before I do my highlight, I just want to mist my face with my Mario Badescu spray. Just because she chose my makeup doesn't mean I'm going to go out of routine. And her choices were the e.l.f. highlighting palette or the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. So let's see which one she chose. Poppy's choosing highlight, and she apparently likes to be in her bed better. So you can choose from the Wet n Wild Mega Glow or my e.l.f. highlighting quad. Which one, Pop? Oh, I think she likes this game now. Poppy, which one? Oh, e.l.f. Good choice. And she chose this e.l.f. palette, so I'm just going to take my mixture that I always take on my Morphe M510 brush, and I just use all the shades to highlight, and I'm just going to apply that to the face. So next I normally do lashes, and I didn't have Poppy choose our mascara. I really don't know why. And I've really been loving this Wet n Wild Max Volume Plus Waterproof Mascara. That's probably just why, because I've only been using this, and you guys, it is so good. And it was like under $5. I no joke got it from Five Below. So the last step in my makeup would be lips, and Miss Poppy had choices of the NYX Lip Lingerie in Lace Detail or this Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in Romance. So let's see what she chose. She is in her bed because she's being stubborn. Which one should I use, Pop? And we got Milani. Thanks, Poppy. And Miss Poppy knows that I don't like to go bold, I guess. So she chose this red lipstick from Milani, and I'm actually going to use this Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Liner in Brick Red. I got this from Influencer about a month ago, and I really, really like it. I like that it's a wind up. It's so good. So I'm just going to apply this to the lips first before I do the liquid lip. So this is the finished look, and I'm not mad at it. I really like how it came out, and I think Poppy did a pretty good job picking out my makeup. What do you guys think? Did she do good? I think she did good. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you guys want to see, let me know in the comments down below, or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.